Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have exponential equation we need to simplify. We need to simplify 3 power x minus 1 over 9 power x minus 1. When we check our question properly, we can see inside 9 power x minus 1, we can get 3 power x minus 1 and simplify it. 3 power x minus 1 over 9 power x minus 1. This can be written as 3 power x minus 1 over 9 is 3 square. All this one power x minus 1, but we can exchange the power. We can put x in and 2 out. That is going to be 3 power x minus 1 over 3 power x. I put 2 outside minus 1, but 1 can be written as 1 square. It is not going to change the meaning. This gives me difference of 2 squares. We know that if we have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is difference of 2 squares. I'm going to use it to expand 3 power x square minus 1 square. 3 power x minus 1 over, I'm going to put this into difference of 2 squares. That is going to be 3 power x plus 1, 3 power x minus 1. Put this in the bracket. We can simplify 3 power x minus 1 and 3 power x minus 1. We can simplify this. We are going to remain with 1 over 3 power x plus 1. So this is a simple form of 3 power x minus 1 over 9 power x minus 1. This is equal to 1 over 3 power x plus 1. I hope you understand how to simplify this exponential expression. For more video on exponents, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.